Good morning. It is Friday, May 15th, 2020. I'm going to slide my picture out of the way for our meme. Today is special. We have a student submitted meme. If you have a meme that you would like me to share, feel free to send it to me in the chat or over text. Or if you want to make your own meme, you can make your own meme and I'll share that with our class. Shout out to Shane Vogel. Thanks for sending me this meme. Alright, quick reminder. We're going to watch or read the daily message every day, complete our work, turn our work in, and also make sure you're checking in with me. If you checked in with me earlier this week, make sure you're checking in with me one more time. I need to hear from you on either Thursday or Friday, so that's yesterday or today, in order for you to get marked present on Thursday and Friday. So please make sure you're getting in touch. Today we're going to be finishing up lesson 11.3. This should be the last lesson that you're doing in this packet. I know a lot of you are wondering when you're going to get your next packet, and the answer right now is we don't know. We're still waiting to hear when the district is going to be passing out the next packets. So until they pass out the next packets, we're going to just use some of this time to allow you to catch up if you have any missing assignments. I will let you know next week as soon as we learn when packet passouts are going to be, and then what the plan is from there. So today we're finishing up lesson 11.3, using statistical measures to compare populations. You should watch this video, watch the lesson videos. There are There's one or two videos. Go ahead and watch them. I'll link below. Complete the independent practice problems, complete the exit ticket, turn in your assignment. You can turn in your assignment to me through Teams. You can text me pictures of your work, or you can email me pictures of your work. Whatever works best. I'm here for you if you have any questions. Quick notification, I will not be available from 1 to 2 because I'm going into school to clean out our classroom. Yeah, it's already time to do that. Alright, so if you need me, I'll be here from 9 to 11. If you need help with your math after that, try reaching out to Ms. Shank, to Ms. Schreiber, to Ms. Hartman, and hopefully they'll be able to help you. Thanks.